Alright, I think we can begin today's coding session. Let's see. Almost all the things are done of this. Okay, wait a second. What did I actually? Yeah, almost everything is done for the shell. The only things remaining of this project are basically auto completion, right? So there will be what, 1, 2, 3, 6 chapters in this auto completion. Let's try coding auto completion on our own, and yeah, let's see how it works. It is basically what auto completion will act like is like, let's say I do a cd, I do get this, all this stuff, then I can simply press tab and I can auto complete in my shell. Alright, so yeah, that's what we have to do. So it's like you press echo, like this is what autocomplete will be like. You press ECH and it will complete you echo. You press EXI, you press tab, it completes exit. Right, wait, I'll show you what I mean, or if I'm pressing tab or not. Key press. No, this is not what I want. Key show. That's what I want. Alright. Yeah, so basically what I'm saying is I press, let's say, ECH, then I press tab and it completes to echo. Similarly, I press EXI, press tab, it completes to exit. So that's what I basically mean. Let's see, not a difficult task for echo or exit, I guess. Alright, and yeah, so that's what we're gonna build now. Let's see how we can proceed with it. We basically need to track a user input, current user input, and then we can complete it based on echo or exit, right? So I think we must have track load. Yes, we're using readline. There should be something in readline module, I think. So yeah, there we have a readline and we have emit key press event. So that's what we are getting from this. So we can basically use this. Alright, let's see how we can proceed. Okay. Okay, so we basically need to set up our readline module in such a way that we get every single event that is emitted on key press, right? So it's like that. That's what we have to do, right? Okay, how do we do that? That's the question. First of all, we are doing create interface for now, right? So this is what I have over here. How do I like this is something that I know that I'll be using emit press event, and I think I can use this to set up. But how can we set up using the section id url dot setup? No, we can't. How do we do it? Basically process dot okay. This is kind of interesting now. It's kind of interesting, but how do we do this? Of course I need this, and instead I need alright, this is what we need to do, correct? And you need to do let's say we have something, yeah, we have this. I get completer and then I get line of string, right? And what I'll do is I have my internal commands. Now this is what my built-in command is like. So I get this line, and what I'll do is if build, okay, we just do build in commands dot any, not dot any dot I need to traverse this, so let's do one thing. Built-in commands dot for each command. This is a string, of course. If 9, no, not 9, but command dot starts with 9. What you'll do is return what does completer look like. an optional function to use for tab auto completion, right? And you get this kind of function which returns complete a result. Complete a result is a string array or a string, so it's like how to do this. Right. So let's do a one dev over here. Right side of the element cannot be destructured. Tab completed script dev exited with this. Okay, this the right side of assignment cannot be restructured. It is why is it saying this error? Let me add it in try catch basically. Error. Okay, I'll do this. I'll add it in utils. Cost auto completion. And what I'll do is, wait a second, I'll simply do this. Awesome. That's what you do. And export default auto completion. Let's see what's this error about. Okay, what does this expect? Let's read the documentation actually. Use of the completer function, that's what I need. What does it do? Takes the current line entered by the user as an argument and returns an array with 2 entries. Alright, an array with matching entries for the completion, the substring that was used for the matching. Okay, got it. So it will be like you return this command as an array, right? And the entered line by the user will be something like this, and I can basically say this would work. Didn't work. Okay. So and echo. Nope, didn't work. Let me do this actually over here and alright, let's see if it works over here. You get a line, you get a command. For every command, if the command starts with this, nope, not working. Let me just delete this auto completion. Not needed. What will happen if I don't use this? I need this. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll do console.log line. Do I have anything? I do have this. I think I can say, and let's type now. Alright, line is getting called properly. I don't think I need emit key precedence over here. What's the issue over here? Right side of assignment cannot be structured. Why is it not working? I get a completer function. I get a line in this. Completions of this. Built in commands के लिए अच्छा ठीक है, let's do one thing. Console.log command I'll do \n and echo. Alright, I have this echo over here. I'm getting echo. Okay, so I'm getting everything perfectly fine. Okay, let me do this thing once. I will copy this and I'll use this for now. First of all, okay, so let me write this and I'll use this for now. Let's see if it works. Alright, this is working. First of all, this is working. Next thing is built-in commands. But for each command, you throw out the command and you. What do we need to print? Not the command over here. And then you return the line. That's what you're doing, right? It should be an array. It is an array. Okay. First array. That's what I'm getting, right? This is what I am getting. Alright, let me do one thing. Okay, it is also printing the command. I need this. Cool. You get this. Right, this is how you get it. Next thing is I need this. Let's try out this. I'll do arrays. There you go. Alright, it gives the same response. So what's the issue? We ask GPT about the issue. What's the exact issue? I don't know. wait a second, is this the issue? Okay, I don't need this actually. Not. I need this. A simple for loop. Wow. Yeah, this works. Obvious. Awesome. Nice. So I can run test. Okay, it expected a space, but I gave just an echo to it. So obviously, that's no worries. Oops. This should work now. Awesome, worked like a charm. What else do we need? Okay, what else do we need to do completion with arguments now? Okay, we can do that later. Let's push this one first. Oh, wait a second. Okay, it passed. Very nice. Okay, yeah, it is accepting the argument, so of course, let's just mark this as complete. Alright, we need to give a bell sound. Basically bell sound is like, I'll show it again. It's like, how do you do that? Alright, let me toggle screencast mode over here. It's like, okay, not no bell sound over here, but wait, where can I get here? Yeah, that's kind of the bell sound you can hear. That's the kind of sound the code crafters are meant to meaning for us to show. The bell is sent by printing \a character. Alright, so we don't need anything. Oh, wait a second. We just need to send, if it reaches over here, what you'll do is console.log \a. We need to print \a. What? Okay, this is not how it will be. Of course, this is not how it will be. Is this what the bell is? No, this is not it. Okay, maybe something like this. Right. Awesome. It worked like a charm. Nice. So we can do get add. Awesome. We did this also. Very nice. Worked. Let's let's view the next stage. How many are remaining? Okay, 3 are remaining, 3 are done. Right. This is your extend your shell's tab completion to include external executable files in the user's path. So your shell should now be able to complete commands that are not built-in but exist as executable files in the directories based on the path. User types the beginning of an external command, presses tab, your shell should auto-complete. Makes sense. It obviously makes sense. So it's like you do. Let's say I do like I have this now program.sh. It wants me to complete this. All right. What just happened over here? Oh, okay. That's the null assertion operator. Right, this will be like this, and the next thing we want to do is wait a second. I have this external command now. Let me edit this run external command. This is my run external command. What it does is gets all the paths, and for every path it will be doing this. So what I can do is, what I need to do in my autocomplete now is alright, if is of 0 dot Alright, I'll be back in a minute till the test cases are running. Alright, the test cases failed. I'm back by the way. So the test cases failed. Let's see what's the issue. Okay. Let's see what we have over here. Alright. Awesome. So, okay, this is the issue the issue is path is user local is pinned. ठीक है, this is the redirection का code. We don't need this. I read every single directory. What we do is if is dot read directory sync here. yeah, I don't need this. Okay, this is working exactly fine. Got the error again. Right. This is not working, but why is this not working? Throwing error at line number 23, which is this. Why is it throwing error? Such file or directory. Awesome. So no such file or directory. Give me a second, I'm getting a call. Be back in a minute. Alright, I'm back. Okay. Hey bro, got a channel recommended a few days ago. Saw you're learning very interesting things. Keep up. Thanks a lot, man. Alright, so this is working perfectly fine, right? So I think we can go ahead with this. Awesome. By the way, asking this out of curiosity, you're building your own shell. So is this a very unique thing? Are you implementing, or are you doing just to get a good idea of OS? Alright, this is not kind of, actually I would say not even a good idea of OS, to be honest. Reason being, I'm just building it in TypeScript, right? Like, what is this? This is just some TypeScript command using a readline module and creating some interfaces. Basically, I'm reading for user input and I'm handling with some basic if-else conditions and with some file system module. So it won't give you any good idea of operating system. If you want to get good idea of operating system, play with hardware, go into deep into C or C++. That's where you can get a good hands-on learning of hardwares. Right, this is just a pretty much interesting project which I found on Code Crafters, which was free till 31st of March, so I decided to build it. That's the only reason that I'm building this. Okay. Hopefully what this has already been passed, so yeah, this would pass it. And boom, 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 there we go. Also, this is kind of a different project which you won't see in most of the YouTube videos, but are not unique, I would say, because you can find it publicly in this Code Crafters. It's just free for this one, so if you want to try it out, you still got 5 to 6 days left. You can do it on your own if you want to try it out. Alright, locations. How many stages? Awesome. 2 more stages left. Let's see. In this stage, you'll implement a tab completion for executables, specifically when multiple executables share a common prefix. Okay, so it's like this, alright. This won't work, but still I want to try if it works or not. It's like you press a tab, it does this. On the second tab, it does this. Okay, wait a second. What we need is, let me tell you, expected this, received this. Alright. External executable. I don't need to pass external executable like this, I guess. That's one of the issues over here. Oh, there we go. XYZ gives you X. Yeah, I would agree on that point here, that it is a bit unique compared to the YT videos. Like, YT video projects are, to be honest, very old school now. You don't get any learnings from those projects. Like, you should only make YT projects if you are a beginner, I would say. Otherwise, there's no use of those projects. There are very few channels or very few videos which actually give you some good content ideas for project. Otherwise, copying some projects from YT is too old school. Doesn't work right now. I would say just create some cool projects on your own. That's how it will work. Alright. What do we have here? Need to keep track of We need to keep track of tabs also. I need this. Right. I am not printing anything. My program is printing it like this. We don't need to print it this way. Instead, we need to print it okay. Am I doing a console log over here? No, not here. Am I doing a console log over here? Not here also. Okay. I think how it would work like is somewhat like the steps over here will be somewhat like this. Okay, first of all, let me refactor the code a little bit. It's getting really ugly now. That's what I'll do. Alright, I think we can move to this file now. Now let's see what we have to do. That's what I need to do basically. Right, so how do we do this? This is what I need track of, right? Alrighty. Does anybody have any idea how to do this? I am a bit stuck over here. I am using it over here, right? Interesting. Condition notice. To keep track now, it's one thing. I'll move it to top. Now how can we Are you a working professional? Yes, I work as a backend engineer at a startup. What about you? Are you a working professional or a college student? Okay, we need to track state, right? Kind of. Okay. I also need prefix as an empty string for this. I was a working professional, currently pursuing masters. Oh, awesome, man, awesome. Like, what are you actually pursuing masters in? Like, is it MLAI or data science? What are you doing it in? We need this to track. Alright, next thing is Let's do this for now. Alright. Oh, you're pursuing it in cybersecurity. Awesome, man. I find cybersecurity pretty interesting actually. Like all this current scenario of machine learning, AI, and data science has just flooded a lot of students into pursuing masters in ML and AI. I kind of don't like that thing. Interesting, dude. You're doing it in an awesome genre actually. Awesome field, whatever you say. Let's see. I have two experience of working. Started as a full stack, then got interested in sysadmin and DevOps, so got promoted and changed to sysadmin working. Oh, awesome, man. You have way more experience than I am. I'm just a fresher right now. You have a really good amount of experience, to be honest. Maybe we should connect. I could learn a lot of things from you or your experience actually. Alright, first command, suggestions, not push command, yeah, of course, works fine. Next suggestion or push, yeah. And after this, what I'll do is last suggestion, not suggestions. Right. Let's handle every single case one by one. Alright, give me a second. I'll have to stop my screen sharing. Just a moment. Yeah, sure, bro. I thought you were a senior dev looking at your coding skills. Good, bro. Oh, thanks a lot, man. Means a lot. But yeah, I'm just a fresher, learning different things, trying to get better at my skills. So yeah, I just got some urgent thing to do. I'll be quickly doing it and then I can continue. In which year? I am a 2024 graduate actually. A recent graduate. I have 1 year intern experience. That was in data analysis, and it has been approximately a year I've been working as a backend engineer. Oh, what about you? What was the year you got graduated in? Like, you're definitely a lot senior to me. All right. might take some time actually. Awesome. Let's continue it till then, until it's done. So your future plan is to be in backend or get in DevOps. Okay, my future plan is basically backend plus a bit of DevOps, like maybe Docker, Kubernetes, and all. Like I have hands-on working experience with Docker also. I have all my projects deployed on Docker, but yeah, I need to get a lot better at Kubernetes. So I'm planning to get into both actually, like kind of a full stack engineer, not developer, but engineer. That's what I want to be honest. But yeah, one thing I lack at is front end skills. I don't have good front end skills actually. All right, let's see what we have here. One thing is accepting one session found. Otherwise, what you'll do is now is the case of multiple solutions, right? So it will be like last solution of more plus plus. Let's see if this works. Alright, until it runs, I'll be just again hiding my screen for a moment. I'm actually doing something else. Yeah, I graduated in 2023, but I had a non-IT degree, instrumentation control. I don't know out of nowhere, I just got us to the writing code and started. You can say I'm a self-taught dev. Awesome, man. That's really good. However, I feel like everybody is a self-taught dev actually, because college teaches you nothing. College teaches you shit about development, so all you have to do is learn it yourself. Okay, if suggestions dot link is greater than 1, you do this. Then luckily got a job in IT, learned many things. That's what I try to do. Awesome, man. That's kind of inspiring, I would say. Let me check the status. Yeah, it is applying. Awesome. Wow, didn't work. Why did it not work? Am I pushing suggestions? Did not push. Yeah, this works. What is happening then? Oh, okay. Why does it not work then? expected was this, it got an extra space. It got 2 extra spaces. Why did it get 2 extra spaces? That's the question over here. If the distance dot length is greater than 1. So you want to go in DevOps side, then my destination will start with somewhat such environment stuff, because basically DevOps is automating sysadmin sysops. Oh, awesome! We'll keep it in mind. Keep it in mind, definitely, man. But I kind of want to get a touch of the DevOps side, like not completely into DevOps. I want to stay connected to Dev also. That's what I want to be, to be honest. So yeah. Not references and completely, so might get irrelevant. All right. Awesome. Let me know if you have some resources for this also. Like right now, I have this idea only in my mind that I'll be most probably learning Kubernetes by reading docs or by watching some videos on it, and then deploying my projects using Kubernetes. That's what I have in mind. Most probably, maybe while doing some stuff at my office, that's where I'll learn Kubernetes basically. That's how I have it in mind. Same as me, bro. I like coding so much. My batchmate started cybersecurity because they didn't like dev stuff. I love coding, but then again, I'm a Linux nerd, so I love both. Awesome, man. Linux. I remember using a lot of Linux in my college time, actually. So, yeah, I can relate to it, to be honest. Linux is cool, actually. Alright, why is this not working? That's a question. Let's see. What can we do? Alright. Abhishek Mamala is a very good teacher and gives a good hands-on DevOps. Awesome. Wait a second, I'll just keep a note of it actually. Not exactly this, but alright, I need social learning stuff, right? That's what it is, right? Awesome. see if it works. Hopefully it should work. The issue is that, okay, so what did it say? Use this. Okay, so it is saying that we need to not use this. Aware of topic question. See, why I'm using El Dante is because I always connect my MacBook to a monitor. Like, I usually keep my Mac connected to a monitor, so I always have to keep it to charging, right? Like, if I'm just using my Mac without any accessories, without any keyboard, mouse, or monitor, I would just charge it and use it on battery. It's good using it with a monitor, with an external monitor, because it will limit the charging to a certificate, sorry, a certain percentage, and it won't go above that. So it will definitely reduce its charging cycles. Like, if you see mine, those are what, yeah, charge power cycle on, yeah, I have had only 63 cycles till now. So it's a good thing if you use accessories and you keep it plugged in all the time. Otherwise, it's not necessary, I would say. Alright. It is saying, wait a second, first. Awesome, let's see. Let me try this then. Let me try this. See if this works. I don't think it will work because it won't give you two spaces in between them. I don't think it will work. Let's see. Yep, it didn't work. Same, I also kept in charge most of the time. Have to run multiple VMs at the same time. So a pro version of this, is it actually worth buying the app? No, I don't have any pro version of this. It's just a basic free version. I don't think you need to buy the app, to be honest. Like, all I need to do with this app is limit it. Right? Rest all the things which are in pro is, I think those are some features that I never even wondered what they are, to be honest. So I don't think it's worth it buying it. Like, what is this? Is this pro? Is this pro? Yeah, this all is pro. I don't need this, so I never bought it, to be honest. I think free version does the job for me, so I won't even buy it actually. Okay, I need to quit. I just do this. Alright, this is my last try. I actually have to go somewhere. So if it works on this try, it's awesome. Otherwise, I'll be continuing it tomorrow. I still have time till 31st March, right? And only two of the stages are remaining, so I think, yeah, only two of the stages are remaining. So I'll be doing it tomorrow maybe. Right now, I actually have to go somewhere. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. And wait a second, what is this issue? What the fuck is this? I need this. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I can continue it from here only tomorrow. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel. Bye bye. Good night.